Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make taco cake. Fancy a bit of Mexican? Brilliant. Start with a basic vanilla cake and pipe on white buttercream. Then close it up and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Place it on a turntable and cut in half. We're using 1/2 of the cake turned on its side. Coat in yellow buttercream. Then smooth it out. Stick on some chocolate cake crumble. We're putting that on either end. This looks like the mincemeat in the taco. Join it up with green buttercream. That's the guacamole. And yellow buttercream on either end to just finish it off. Then carefully place fondant decorations. We're using red fondant for the tomatoes, some yellow fondant for the cheese, and it's ready. That was easy, wasn't it? Taco cake. Just slice and enjoy. Look at this awesome burger illusion cake! Looks so real. Ooh, start with a chocolate cake and using a cookie cutter, cut out a circle. That's going to be your burger patty. Pop that aside, then get a vanilla cake and do the same. This will be the bottom of your burger bun. We're going to coat that in white buttercream. Now get some more vanilla cake shaped as a dome and coat that in white buttercream too. That will be the top of your bun. Refrigerate it for 30 minutes and meanwhile sprinkle some icing sugar and roll out some yellow fondant on a chopping board. Pop that over your burger bun base. Pressing down around the sides, and then using a pizza slicer, we're going to cut off the excess. Next, get some buttercream in 2 separate bowls and add red colouring to one and yellow to the other. Get some desiccated coconut and mix it with green food colouring. Now get the bottom half of the burger cake bun and pipe on your yellow buttercream as mustard. Pop on some sliced strawberries as tomatoes. Your chocolate cake patty goes on there, covered in red buttercream as tomato ketchup. Sprinkle on some green desiccated coconut as lettuce and close it up. Using a brush, paint on a bit of water so you can stick some sesame seeds on top. Don't forget the decoration. And there you have it, an amazing burger illusion cake. Yum!